In this video, we're going to talk about how to add numbers with exponents. So let's start with the first example. What is the value of the expression 2 to the third plus 3 squared? 2 to the third power means that we're multiplying 3 2's together. 3 squared means that we're multiplying 2 3's together. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, and 3 times 3 is 9. 8 plus 9 is 17. So that is the value of the first expression. Now what about the second one? What is the value of 3 to the fourth plus 5 squared? Feel free to pause the video if you want to try this. 3 to the fourth is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 5 squared is simply 5 times 5. Now, 3 times 3 is 9, so we could replace a pair of 3's with a 9. So this is also 9 as well. 5 times 5 is 25. 9 times 9 is 81, so we have 81 plus 25. 80 plus 20 is 100. 1 plus 5 is 6, so this is going to be 106. So that's the value of the second expression. So that's all you need to do whenever you see a problem that looks like this.